Hey guys, it's MLO and we are back with the third installment of 6 Under 6. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at MLOccasion, and check out our website www.mylittleoccasion.com. So for this centerpiece, we're going to use 3 items. We're going to use a tall square vase. We're going to use water and then flowers. You can use any type of flowers that you want. This is just the flowers that we currently chose. First, she's going to place the flowers inside the vase. She's going to place them stem down. So after she places the flowers inside the vase, she's going to then go ahead and fill up the vase with water. Okay, so that is the final look of a super inexpensive and super easy centerpiece, especially if you're going for a summer flower or any type of flower that's fairly inexpensive and will give you a rustic look. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye y'all.